Hi everyone! In this video, I'll introduce the new video attachments feature in FM Dashboard. To begin, open a work order and navigate to the Attachments tab. Previously, you could upload files such as photos and PDF documents. With this new enhancement, you can now attach videos directly to the work order. Click Add Attachment, add a description, and choose the file you want to upload. Once the upload is complete, the video will appear in the Attachments tab. From there, you can play the video, view it in full screen, or download it whenever you need it. This new feature makes it easier to document work with video, providing additional context and improving communication directly within the work order.